So, good evening po. I will be discussing to you complex numbers using calculator techniques. So, we will be starting with problem number 1, which is 2 plus 3i. Ang matrix pa pala. So, balik muna natin sa complex number. Mode number 2. 2 plus 3i, ayun, bumalik na siya. And then plus 4 minus I. So the answer is 6 minus ayun, naka-minus pala. Sorry sir. Yan, 2 plus 3i, 4 minus I. So yan, 6 plus 2i na yung answer niya. So ang technique dito, para hindi ka mag-syntax errors, tingnan natin I tapos 3. Syntax error talaga yan kasi malapit yung plus sa I. So bali, kailangan ilayo siya lagi. Kahit pa sabihin sa problem na 2 plus I3, mali yan. So wala talagang lalabas na answer dyan kundi syntax errors. So in order for you to find the answer like this, you will have to put the number first before the imaginary sign. So which is 6 plus 2i. So problem number 2 is 1 plus 2i and then 3 minus I is equals to 5 plus 5i. So let's move on to the third problem, which is the application of division, and the second problem that we just do recently is multiplication, and the first problem is addition. So the last problem for the complex numbers is 3 plus 4i and 1 minus 2i. So the answer will be 1 plus 2i. So moving on with the 3. Okay, so let's move on. We have to put shift mode and 7, and so that we can input matrix A. So we will be doing 2 times 2 first. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So yan, and then CA, shift mode ulit 7, matrix B naman tayo, and then we'll be still using 2 by 2 so that we get the same answers that we wanted to see. And then 4 3 2 1, and then yun. Then after we apply, input the we will put the ups 3 times ups 4. Okay, so let's try 3 by 3 because I am still okay. Shift mode 7, mat A. Yun, 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'll try a different approach this time, but if it's still okay, kaya pala hindi gumagana. Ups pala dapat kasi yung pindutin ko. Sorry sir. Try natin 1 2 3 4. So yan, so CA ups, so mat B naman tayo. Mali pala. So simulan natin ulit. Tapos yan, tapos CA natin, then apps, and then we will go to yun, dimension. Ito pala hindi ko na ilalagay kanina, kaya pala nagkakaroon. Wait lang. Mali yung na input ko. Ulitin natin sa from the start. I-reset ko muna, sir, Shift 9. Ayun, so balik tayo. Matrix. Ito kasi ayun, so bali CA, apps naman tayo, dimension B. Ayun. Ayun. Okay. 7. Okay, mali pala. Wala. Yun. So, bali, pagkatapos po niyan, sir, equals, ups ulit, 3 plus, tapos ups ulit, number 4. Ayun, lumabas din. 6, sir. Ayun. So, bali, tapos na tayo sa problem number 4. And then dito naman tayo sa problem number 2, which is addition pa rin po pala to, sir. So okay, so shift, nagigets ko na. So bali 2 by 2 pa rin po yung gagamitin ko po, sir, which this time which is 10, 20, 30, 40 naman po. Okay, CA, apps, dimension, number 2, matrix B. So bali 2 by 2 pa rin po. Ayun, so bali 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun, so bali sana hindi na pumalpak katulad kanina. Matrix B. Ayun. Ito naman po, sir, itong pangatlong problem naman po na nakita ko is apply naman po natin ng negative numbers para medyo maintindihan ko din po kung paano siya nagwo-work. 0, negative 1, 2, and 3. So same din po, dimensions. Lagi ko nakakalimutan. Tama pala yung ginagawa ko. 4, 5, negative 2, 0. So bali 0. And then CA, shift 3 plus shift 4. Ayun, so bali 4403, tama din yung lumabas na answer po sa akin. So ito naman pong pangalawa, application ko naman po ng subtraction. So bali shift mode ulit, matrix 1, and then 2 by 2 lang po talaga gagamitin ko, sir. But this time I'll be using number 9, 8, 7, 6. CA, bilis ako na mapag-answer. 1, matrix B naman po, no? Okay, number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then shift, okay, 3 minus pala, no? Minus ups 4, yun, 8, 6, 4, 2. Tama ako. Ito naman, ang magiging answer niya dapat po is 4 na 0. So shift 7, 1, 2 by 2 pa rin. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yun, so bali CA, apps 4. Hindi, nakalimutan ko pala yung dimension. Ayun, so bali 2, number 3, and then 5, 4, 3, 2. Yun, so bali CA ulit, dimension 3 minus 4. Ayun, so bali 4 na 0, tama tayo. So sa problem 6 naman, ganun pa rin, pero dapat ang answer niya is maging 1, 2, 3, 4. So bali mode matrix 1, ayun, so bali 2 by 2 ulit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Ayun, so bali 4 na 1. Minus na. Ayun, 1, 2, 3, 4. So ito naman, application naman po natin, which is division, multiplication naman. So okay. So nakakailang problem na ba ako? 9 na, 9. So bali, ito naman po application niya is multiplication. So bali ganito. Okay. So shift mode matrix ulit kasi topic natin is matrix. 2 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Dimension 2, 3. Yan. So 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2. Yeah. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala yung times application 4. Ayun, so bali tama tayo to 4, 4, 8, 10. 10, 8 pala. So dapat, and this problem the answer should be 8, 7, 8, 5, and 6. So mode matrix 1 and 3. So 0, 1, 0. Ay, 1 pala. 0. Ayun. So dimension 2, 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then CA application 3. And then okay. So bale 5, 8, 7, 8, 5, 6, tama tayo. And then this one is, ayun, may division pa pala tayo. Okay, so mode matrix 1, 2, 1. Zero, 1. Okay, so mode dimension B 3. So 1, 0, 4, 3. So CA, ayun, so bali times pala, no? Okay. Ayun, 6, 3, 4, 3, tama tayo. So dito naman paano to? Paano tong matrix division? Mode matrix A. Paano maglagay ng division? May division ba sa matrix? So bali magdadagdag na lang pala ako ng ibang problem sa complex numbers. since marami naman na tayo na solve na problem sa matrix. Balik tayo sa complex. Ito. Yun. So bale, wait lang. So yun, naghanap tayo ng iba pang problems. So this is problem number 12, which is 1 plus 2i over 2 plus 3i. So the answer should be 8 minus 1 over 13. Medyo hindi accurate Pero kung i-convert naman po natin sa decimal, pares lang din naman po siya ng kinalabasan. So the next problem is 5 minus I over 1 plus I. So the answer should be 2 minus 3i. So correct. And the next problem is negative 2 plus 3i over 4 minus I. So yun. If we convert it into decimal places, wait lang. 514, okay. Pero over 17, wait lang. Dito sa next problem, ang gagawin naman natin po siyang polar form. So 1 plus 2i and okay, nakalimutan ko pala ilagay yung shift polar. Ako shift, wait lang shift polar. Ayun, so bale 1 plus 2. What the, wait lang Okay. So bali yung sinusolve para natin problem kanina, kapag pinindot mo po itong F and T, fraction to decimal, is ito na pala yung polar form niya. So the problem number 3 is negative 2 plus 3i over 4 minus i. So ang bali ang lalabas dapat dyan is 0. Parang hindi tumutugba Okay. Yun, so bali may na-discover na akong ayun. So bali bago pumunta dyan, okay, shift mode and then 3 complex, and then so since we're into polar form, so we'll press number 2 and then we'll just input the number 2 plus 3i over 4 minus i. So the answer should be 137 degrees po. Basta yun. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for listening.